Yeah. Yeah. Chicks out there would like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it.
Alright guys, so if you want to try a rib stuffed jalapeno, then stay tuned. Woo! Alright, let's try it. That was good. Alright, I've gotten all these jalapenos sliced and cored out. I showed you how to do that earlier. Slice them in half and then just use a spoon to core them all out. So the next thing that I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to get the meat off of these bones, chop them up very finely, and then I'm going to mix them with the cream cheese, and then I'm going to stuff the peppers with the cream cheese mixture, and then wrap them with bacon and stick them in the oven. So stay tuned. Alright, so I've already mixed the ribs. I was going to say brisket. The rib meat, I chopped it up very finely, and I mixed it in here with the cream cheese and a little bit of mesquite liquid smoke to give it a more of a smoky flavor. Not to mention that we have hickory smoked bacon, so it should have a nice little smoky taste to it. Again, here the peppers all hollowed out. Now, I said I was going to do smoked sausage ones, but I don't know. I think I haven't, excuse me. I think I have just enough to do all 30 of these jalapenos. So I did 15 jalapenos, sliced them in half, cored them out with a spoon to get a lot of the veining and the seeds out. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the cream cheese into the peppers. Now, I could do it one of two ways. I could put all this cream cheese, y'all, in a Ziploc bag and snip it and then squeeze it into the peppers, or I can try to ladle them in with a spoon. Not quite sure how I'm going to do it, but let me try to figure it out.
I hold on to this storm 'cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me, left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go.
them with cream cheese and brisket. I had about 5 of these left over. I'm just going to toss them because I don't want to open up a whole package of cream cheese just for 5 jalapenos. I don't. So what I'm going to get ready to do now is go ahead and wrap these with bacon, and then I'm going to stick them in the oven, and then you guys will see the final product. Alright, so all of the jalapenos are wrapped with bacon. I had a few extra strips of bacon, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, look, I chopped this bacon up like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay a strip of bacon like right on top of all of these so they can have a little bit of extra bacon juice on there. I don't know where that country accent just came from, but when you handle bacon, you want to talk in a country accent. So anyway, I'm going to put bacon on all of these like that because we only had like, I think like 6 slices of bacon or something like that left over. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to stick them in the oven, and then you guys will come back with us and see the final results. All right, bon appetit. Let's get it down. Let's get it.